Dear scholars, we have been learning a lesson. Abdul becomes a courtier. So, through the previous videos, you came to know about Abdul's wish for gaining knowledge and becoming courtier. To gain that knowledge, he start working as a clerk to the rich merchant, and whatever knowledge he gained, using that, he was offered a job. That is, he was given the royal Murgi Khana to look after. Abdul was not disappointed and still he worked, seeing his intelligence that he didn't spend any money, and though the birds, the hens were looking healthier, emperor offered him another job or another work. That is, he became Abdul became the in charge of library. Now, what he did, becoming the in charge of library, that we have to see. Actually, he was not happy with that post also, but still he made the mind to prove his intelligence for becoming courtier. So what happened in the further story, or how he look after library, that is given on the fourth page of the lesson. So let's begin. What are the dialogues of emperor and Abdul, that are those are given over here. What is the scene? After 1 year, the emperor is looking at the books in the library. To see the books, what emperor said, here it is. What? The emperor was shocked. All these books have such expensive jackets. All these books have such expensive jackets. Surely they have cost a fortune. Here, fortune means money. What covers or jackets the books had? Silks, brocades, and velvets. Here, the word brocades means rich fabric woven with golden or silver thread. So, whatever books were there in the library, they were covered with velvet, silks, and brocades. So, the books were looking shiny, and whatever covering they had, they were of velvet, means they were soft, and books were looking rich because of them, as well as the books had got the proper protection. What is further, or what is the reply of Abdul? No, your majesty, the expenses were none. That is what Abdul said. He didn't spend any money on these jackets. Emperor, I can't believe it. Then how was it done? Here is the answer. Your majesty, I observed that the formal requests were sent to you in bags made of the fabric based. When the papers were read, the bags were discarded. That is what? Just thrown away here and there, and just the bags are wasted. So, why waste the silk, velvet, brocade? I demanded. So, Abdul thought not to waste that silk, velvet, and brocade. So, he demanded all those bags. The royal tailors made the jackets, nothing did they take, and for that purpose, using those bags, Abdul went to the royal tailors and asked them to stitch the jackets for the books. And for this work, the tailors didn't take any money. Each book was dressed of your majesty's sake. So that is what, whatever silk, velvet, brocade use, it didn't cost any money, and for stitching jackets also no money was spent. That is whatever books had a cover jackets, they were rich, they were of good protection, but no money was spent on this work. So listening this, what emperor said, emperor, you have a great merit. I had realized much earlier. I am happy to announce now you are my courtier. Chorus. Wits, brains, and perseverance help Abdul. These three qualities help Abdul achieve his aim. Patience, determination won him great name and fame. So, in this way, whatever wish Abdul had, that is of becoming courtier, he fulfilled. He achieved his dream of becoming courtier. But for becoming courtier, he had to pass on some examinations. What examinations? That is, he first became the in charge of Murgi Khana. Later, he became in charge of library, and there, with patience, with his brain, he proved that how wise, how intelligent he was. And because of his perseverance, that is, never give up attitude, his patience, his determination, and his intelligence, he could achieve the post of courtier in the emperor's court. So, whatever examinations he had passed, might be emperor who had to check his intelligence. Emperor had to check his intelligence, patience, and determination. So, whatever examination was there, Abdul just pass on and fulfill his dream. So, this is the story adapted from the story Enter Mulla do Piazza, which is written by Pratibha Nath. So, this is all about the lesson Abdul becomes a courtier. I hope you will all understand the given explanation.